It is summertime and we needed a fence because this year we have a little baby in the family and we needed to be able to create a divide so he couldn't get in the backyard. This is the Vivor fence and we are very happy with it. We had to attach it to our house. So this we bought separately to be able to adhere the pole steadily to our house. Before I go through everything, I want to show where we had to drill down in the ground. I will likely show this at a better angle on the other side, but we had to be able to drill in our concrete in order to insert the pole down in the hole. It also comes with these pegs to go down into the concrete with little caps to close it off. Now, I am 5'2", and this is where the fence comes up to me, but we're just trying to barricade a toddler from accidentally getting in to the pool. So let's take a look. What I loved about this Vivor fence was the flexibility for us to change the shape and the design to suit our needs. So this way we were able to keep it off of our grass area, still keeping part of the pool decking, which is really wide on this side, available. So we just separated literally our side yard from our pool area. Additionally, it came with a latch inside that we installed right here. We left a gap here between the poles and we created this this is a lockable latch here, so it's not easy for children or toddlers to open. So I like that this is difficult to open because what's the point of the fence? But I wanted a gate here on the side, so we had the option of opening it and getting in through the gate when the little one is not around. We drilled holes along the way for the pole to go down into our concrete pool decking. We also added another latch here, creating a secondary entrance for us to the yard. Now we had excess fencing that we didn't need, but we kept it rolled up, hidden behind this bush, and the pole was inserted down into the ground. Another feature I really love about this fencing is where I just showed you it rolled up. You can roll it up, you can pull the poles out of the concrete down here, and you can store it for the winter. Or if you don't normally have a toddler or children at home that you need to barricade this, it allows you to keep it down when you want it down all the time and then put it up for when you have children or people around that you need to have it barricaded. So the fence is great, it's high quality. I like that you can see through it. It doesn't block the view as you see through the fence. You can just see right through it, even though it is a black mesh in color, like a little screen. And the quality of it, it's very, very durable. It feels like a rubber plastic almost, if you will. We live in the hot desert, and so far this last year, this has held up very well, and we are very pleased with our purchase. So it's really great for keeping your little ones away and out of the pool.